It's time for a video! Now that we've had the intro. We are in North Cape, is it?
Yes, sir.
Prince Edward Island, and in a parking lot, and it's really quiet, which is great. And this is as north as you can go in Prince Edward Island.
And west.
And west?
North and west.
Okay, very good. And
Surrounded by water.
what is that place over there? It's the Wind Energy...
Interpretive Center.
There we go.
Experimental Center.
Oh, wait, I gotta pan over. Oh, into the sun. Blah! There we go. And yeah, these are all the windmills. Although you can't see most of them because they're behind this building. This one right here. And Frenchie and the Tramp are on their way. Oi! It's time for a video!
Time for a video. We got ribbons.
We get ribbons and cream soda!
And an empty bladder.
I'm glad you could share that with the folks at home. What are the ribbons for? Show me. What's the ribbon?
This is for you.
Ah!
Tip to tip.
If next year you go to Surrey, you can get a certificate.
Ooh!
Yes.
Oh. I'm taking a video.
Yes.
How's your cream soda?
Very good and very toxic.
Excellent.
Toxic goodness.
But you know what? It's you're sharing the wealth. That's great. But it's so quiet.
I know it's unusually not windy today.
Yeah, what's up with that? For a wind center.
Like usually it's super windy.
Oh look, somebody else decided to come and check this out.
Soda?
Do you think they're Japanese
What's it
tourists?
taste like?
Cream soda.
They don't look
vanilla.
Japanese.
What's the
guess not.
percentage?
Nothing.
Oh wait. Oh yes. I suppose we should share with everybody that we've been on a 5-day binge, shouldn't we?
Tastes
not
like
beans.
Freezies.
It's
Yeah.
yes.
And it started in Mount Uniacke, continued in Moncton,
Continued in Moncton.
then
on
then
Friday.
traveled to Sackville.
And then Sackville on Saturday. That was hardcore.
Kurt was mercilessly sick. Anyway, he puked a lot.
Sick. I puked like 3 or 4 times.
He was
and then
sloshed
I was
out of his mind.
That was
Sunday.
fucking gross.
It was
Yeah.
awesome.
fine. And Sunday we spent hungover as fuck.
You did. I was okay.
Oh man.
You want some cream
I was
soda?
hungover too.
Nah, thanks.
I was a little hungover, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And
we should
then-
probably start
Yeah,
heading
we
back.
have to go back now.
That's
so.
true. Where are we going
So-
now?
Back home. I
Right.
have to call
And then
Rent-A-Wreck and Rent-A-Wreck.
Alberton.
Rent a wreck?
Yeah.
I'm gonna
I've
drive.
rented from them before.
I did.
Enterprise,
But,
Alamo, National.
Cal, do you
Mavis.
think it's time?
Not bad.
What?
Enterprise got really
That's
good
it, it was
deals.
over.
Oh.